equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of repairing your PS5 controller joystick. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Start by removing the screws on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws located near the handles. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the controller casing. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you do this. Now that you have access to the internal components, take a moment to inspect the joystick mechanism. If you notice any dust or debris, this could be affecting its performance. Using a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol, clean around the joystick base. This will help remove any grime that may have built up over time. If the joystick is still unresponsive, it may be time to check the internal connections. Look for any loose wires or connectors. If you find any, gently reattach them. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. Next, let's reassemble the controller. Carefully place the casing back together, ensuring that all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Once the controller is back together, it's time to test it. Connect it to your PS5 and check if the joystick is functioning correctly. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be a sign of a deeper problem. In that case, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel. We'll handle everything for you. If the joystick is working fine, congratulations. You've successfully repaired your PS5 controller. However, if you need further assistance, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision about your repair options. In summary, repairing your PS5 controller joystick involves gathering the right tools, cleaning the internal components, and ensuring all connections are secure. With a little patience and care, you can restore your controller to its former glory, enhancing your gaming experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.